Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can upload your project to the GitHub using Git Bash. So first of all, in order to upload the project to the GitHub, we need to create a repository. So here you can see, if you just go to the dashboard, you will see this option. Here you can see the new option. I will click on new, and after that it will ask you for a repository name. Let's say our repository name will be com_project, and there you can see the name is available. After this, you need to make it public and also add a readme file over here. After that, go down and here you can see create repository button over here. Just click over here and there you can see our repository is created over here. So right now what we need to do is that we need to somehow upload our project to the GitHub using Git Bash. So for it, what we need to do is that we need to go to our project. So here I'll go to my new volume F and I'll go to this folder. So I'm going to upload this project to our GitHub. So in order to do that, first of all, we need to open the git bash command prompt. And obviously, if you want to open the git bash command prompt, you need to have git installed in your device. So I'll assume that you already have installed git in your device. So once you install git, just go to the project that you want to upload to the GitHub. Just right click. Click on show more option, and here you can see we have an option called open git bash here. Just click on open git bash here, and there you can see it opened a command prompt. Let me just zoom in. So here first of all what we need to do is that we need to initialize the git. So in order to initialize, we need to say over here git ini and then press enter. So this will initialize a git for this project. So here you can see initialized empty git repository. So after this, we need to write this command, which is git add space dot and press enter. And you may see some warning, but that's fine. That's not an issue. So after it, we need to say over here git commit -m, and we need to add a message over here. So we're going to add a message. Let's say over here my first upload. You can write anything, just add a message and then press enter. Okay, so once you just press enter for this command, you will see something like this. Okay, so here you can see by default it will upload our project to the master branch. So what it will do is that it will create a branch called master over here and upload it there. But if you want, we can just upload it to the main branch, and in order to upload our project to the main branch, we need to run this command, or we need to write this command git branch then -M with our here main and press enter. And there you can see our branch name changed from master to main. There you can see it was master, right now it is main. So right now what we need to do is that we need to mention our GitHub repository link so that we can upload our project to that certain repository. So for it, we are going to say over here git remote add origin. And after this, how can we connect how can we upload this project to this certain repository? So for it, here you can see we have the code button over here. Just click on code button, and here you will see something like this. So we need to copy this. So in order to copy it, you can just click over here, or you can just copy it from here as well. So after copying this, what you need to do is that you need to go back to your branch. Go back to your git bash, and here we need to paste it over here. There you can see I paste it. I paste the link over here, and I will now press enter. So it means the repository link in order to upload our project is added over here. So right now we just need to write one more command in order to upload this project to the repository, and that command is git push -u origin main and then press enter. Okay, so we are getting this error. So right now what we are going to do is that we are going to say over here git push --force origin main and then press enter. So we'll just forcefully upload it, and there you can see it is uploading. So normally you'll be able to upload this just by writing this command, but if you are having some issue, just forcefully upload it. Okay. So right now, if we just refresh our browser over here or refresh our repository will see something like this. Here you can see we are able to successfully upload our project to the GitHub repository. So this is how you can upload your project to the GitHub repository using Git. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.